Recently I changed this switch to a dimmer switch, and because dimmer switches are a little bit bigger than the regular switches, so this will not fit into the existing box. I think this is a 2.5 inch deep box. So what I'm going to do today is replace this with a 3-inch deep gang box. I could not find a 3-inch deep 2 gang box, but I found this 1 gang boxes in the required depth, but these are gangable boxes. So I am going to join these two together to make a 3-inch deep 2 gang box, and then replace this with this new box. But first thing first, safety. Make sure the power has been shut off before doing any electrical work. Although I did shut the power off, still I want to make sure there is no power in there and I did my job right. For that, I'm using this power tester. So there is no power in there. If there was any, this would beep. So it's now safe to proceed. First, I'm going to undo the wires, take the switches out, and then replace the box. I think this is 2.5-inch deep, so we'll have enough room for the wires and the switch in this new box. I'll be taking this plate off from one box and this one from the other, and then join these two together. I'm using this 90-degree screwdriver adapter head to drive in the screws. So this box is now all secure and tight. So now I'll move on to wiring the switches. So we need to snip on these things to fit the switch into the box. So we can adjust these a little bit to make them fit better into this plate, and then we are all done. See how simple and easy it is to change a gang box if you need to. If you have any questions or concerns about this project, leave me in the comments down below and I will definitely address those. So that concludes today's video. I'm Sujata, Mayuri's handy mom, and I'll see you guys next. Until then, take care.